Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be picking up my friend and we're gonna head over to a skate park and ride in an abandoned football stadium. So grab your popcorn and snacks because this is gonna be a good one. Alright boys, we made it to our location. Got the skate park. Dude, they covered up all the graffiti. It looks so weird now. And then we're gonna go in those trails and over there because, well, yeah, you'll just see. You'll just have to wait. This thing has no suspension like whatsoever. Dude, you can hear the suspension just clapping out every single bump. Look, see? That's where we're gonna go, boys. But first, let's go to the skate park. Yo, this thing is so bumpy. Yeah, boys, skate park time. Dude, they painted over everything, man. That sucks. Jump! Oh. Yeah. Wow. Break. Pick it up! Your foot brake is so far down. Yo, his foot brake is so far down. Alright, let's excuse that and just keep going. No way. Oh yeah, we're back in business, baby. Are you gonna ride with us?
Where y'all going? Just up and down the field?
I guess. We were gonna go up there and go there, basically everywhere around here.
Alright, yeah, I'll follow you. Let me get this done.
Alright, heck yeah. Bro, I've never been back here before. This is really fun. Bro, these brakes suck though. Holy crap. Ah, branch. I just got stabbed in the eye. I'm just kidding, I have goggles on. I did not. Oh my gosh. Ah, there's mud. Yo. Just straight up mud, bro. Yo! Go, go, go! Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. Go, go, go! Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Yeah! Let's go! Here, move. Woo!
No brakes.
What? He has no brakes, dude. He has no brakes. Go! He has no brakes. Bro, I'm telling him to get out of the way. And he can't. Oh my gosh, I don't have brakes either. Holy crap. Holy crap. He's telling us to go. Bro, I bent the shift lever, bro. I just jammed something. I just bent this again. Are you kidding me? We're basically front brake only right now, bro.
No.
Oh my gosh! Burnout! Ah! Just hold on to that brake, bro. I believe in you. Ah! Dude, that thing goes straight down. This thing does not like to shift, bro.
I wonder why.
I wonder. I don't know where we're going right now, but we're kind of just going somewhere. Oh my goodness, I shifted up. That's crazy. Oh heck yeah, send it on this trail. Jump! Yeah! Yo! Let's go. But I have to like pull out to shift up, bro. Ah! This thing is so collapsed right now. Yeah! Dude, I'm gonna like crash so bad. I gotta slow down, bro. Burnout. Watch this. Let's go! Yeah! Woo!
Yo, it's not even hitting the throttle, bro.
What the heck? What the... Watch, I'm gonna be one of those Sauron kids.
I'd laugh if we fell.
Heck yeah, bro. I'm about to crash this. Not on purpose, though. Dude, the little dirt bike's so much better on there. Because it's so much lower to the ground. Go down it! Go down it! Bro, I got you. You're good. I got you.
Yo, it's gonna bottom out.
Bro, just go. You'll be okay. I'm having way too much fun. How am I in neutral? Ah! Oh my goodness, it's so much better than the 90, man. I mean, just so much better. There's actually suspension. Huh. What?
Are we allowed back there?
Only one way to find out. Oh man, this is so much better than the 90. I actually have brakes. Like, it's amazing. What? Also guys, if you guys are not subscribed and you're watching this video and you're enjoying it, then make sure to subscribe, because I have a couple very cool videos plans coming up. Oh my goodness, so much mud. And if you like this, then you'll like my upcoming videos. So just subscribe if you're not already. Thank you. I just stalled. Bro, he made it all the way. Wait for him, actually. Heck yeah. Second gear. Easy sauce, bro. That's too easy for me. Bro, he has to go so slow or his brakes will just like die. His brakes freaking suck, dude. Oh my goodness. Where in the heck are we going? Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Ah! I almost just ran into that. That wouldn't have been good. Oh my gosh. What was that? Oh yeah. This whole place is literally just like a landfill. Like a dump. Like every once in a while you'll just see trucks of dump, not trucks of dump, trucks of just random little bits of rock like this, and they just go up to the top and dump it. It's pretty cool, honestly. I need to record him, bro, in case he dies. Yo. Oh no, where'd he go? I see him up there walking it. Oh, that's too easy for me. Too easy! Aha, I see. He's still trying to walk it up. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That was scary. He can do that, come on. Too easy for me. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I hate this. Man, what is that thing? It looks like one of those tubes. Let's go this way. What's over here? I literally have no clue. What is this way? What the heck is over here, bro? It's like another part of the dump. Ah, my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Legos! 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 Legos.
Yo, it's raining. Yo, there's someone over there. Yo, go.
Ah, go! Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Bro, they're stalking us. We gotta go, boys. We gotta go. Yo. Dude, his lights were on, man. Way! Ah! Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna send it too. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna send it like at all.
Well, that's fun.
Yeah, not for me.
Yeah.
Ah, you stalled. You.
On camera?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I did. I'm putting that in my video too. Heck yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, there's a rut here. Ah! A giant, like, berm. Yeah. Bro, we could probably send that so hard, dude. Oh my gosh. Ah, I went over it already. I think it's fun, bro. Ah! Ah! Pick it up! Pick it up! Wait, watch this. Burnout. Go, go, go! You're a loser. You loser. You have to go faster than that. Bro, these potholes are killing the suspension right now. I'm trying to wheelie all over them. It's so bad. Let's watch this guy go on them. Tough, dude. Ah! Oh yeah, there's a little off-road section here too, which is awesome. And a little jump. Heck yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So he goes there and then goes straight into here. Jump. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh. Oh heck yeah, dude. I'm gonna do it. Ah! Oh. Alright boys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and like and subscribe.
Yeah, don't follow me.
No. Peace out.